Welcome to Berkshire Used Cars' latest video for this Volkswagen Polo. This is the 1.4 TDi SE 5-door, finished in Mayan Blue. The car was first registered 28th of April 2015. Just one company owner from new, being registered to Volkswagen Financial Services. Full service history. 3 Volkswagen services, last done 25th of April 2019 at 54,700 miles. Next service due in 2 years or 14,200 miles. MOT is valid through until the 27th of April 2020 with no advisories. Very good set of premium brand tyres, Continentals front and rear, between 4.5 and 5mm of tread. This Euro 5 diesel engine produces 75 brake horsepower, returns 83.1 mpg, with tax band A being just 88 grams of CO2, so it's free from road tax and is compliant with the ultra low emission zones in London. As with the exterior of this Polo, the interior is also in excellent condition for age and mileage, featuring a black cloth trim, Isofix location points across both outer rear seats. This particular model features a number of optional extras, including adaptive cruise control, the park pack, so front and rear parking sensors, Discover navigation, electric folding wing mirrors and the centre armrest. Standard specification also includes automatic windscreen wipers, automatic headlamp illumination, electric windows front and rear, DAB radio, separate AM FM as well as CD player, Bluetooth as well as Bluetooth music streaming, auxiliary and USB.